बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है आतिफ असलम के हवाले से। मोहम्मद आतिफ असलम इज़ बॉर्न ऑन 12 मार्च 1983, ऑल्सो नोन मोनीमोसली बाय द hypocorism. Adis is a Pakistani playback singer, songwriter, composer, and actor. He has recorded many songs in both Pakistani films and Indian films and is known for his vocal belting technique. He made his Bollywood film debut in 2005 by singing the song Adat from Kalyog. Born 12 March 1983, Wazirabad, Punjab, Pakistan. Other name Ahadis. Alama Mater, University of Central Punjab. Occupation singer, songwriter, composer, actor. Works discography, filmography. Spouse Sara Baharwana. Married 2013. Children 3. Honors Tamgha Imtiaz 2008. Dubai Walk of Fame 2019. Musical career. Genres: alternative music, classical music, filmi qawwali, pop, rock, romantic. Instruments: vocal, guitar, piano. Years active 2002 to present. Label: Z Music Company, T Series, Coke Studio, YRF Music, Universal Music, Tips Music, Venus Records, and Sony Music. Past member: Jal Band. Born in Wazirabad, Punjab, Atif Aslam started his music career in early 2000. He released his debut album Jal Pari in 2004. He went on to sing songs in both Indian Bollywood and Pakistani Lollywood film industries. Aslam has been a prominent performer on Coke Studio, Pakistan, where his renditions such as Tajdar-e-Haram Season 8, Wo Khuda Hai Season 12, and Man Amadem with Gul Pana gained immense popularity, each amazing millions of views on YouTube and receiving critical acclaim. He predominantly sings in Urdu and his native Punjabi as well as Bengali, Persian and Pashto. In 2008, he received the Tamgha Imtiaz, the fourth highest civilian honor award from the Pakistani government. He is also recipient of several Lux Style awards. In March 2003, he was introduced by McDonald's Pakistan to sing commercial for cartoons like Sonic the Hedgehog and Hello Kitty. Aslam made his acting debut in 2011 with the Urdu social drama film Bol. In 2019, he was awarded a star in the Dubai Walk of Fame after his nomination for Best Singer in Pakistan. He was also featured in the Forbes Asia 100 Digital Star published in December 2020. Early life and education. Atif Aslam was born on 12 March 1983 to a middle-class Punjabi family in Wazirabad, Punjab. He has three brothers who have all worked with him: Shehzad as photographer, Shehbaz as designer and manager, Shiraz as his website coordinator. He went to Kimberley Hall School in Lahore, Punjab until 1991 when he moved to Rawalpindi, Punjab and continued his studies at St. Paul's Cambridge School in Satellite Town. In 1995, Aslam returned to Lahore where he continued his studies at Divisional Public School and College Branch. He proceeded to attend Fizaiya Inter College for his HSSC from 1999 to 2001 and later went to University of Punjab. In an interview, Aslam revealed that his ambition around this time was to become a singer. He first competed on stage and won at the age of 15 before singing in various talent contests. He also wanted to be a cricketer, being a fast bowler, and was selected to the Pakistan under-19 team, but he did not go ahead as his parents wanted him to become a doctor. Music career 2003 to 2008. Aslam was a member of the group Jal. He released his first song Adat with Gohar Mumtaz. After separating from Jal, Aslam released his first album titled Jal Pari in 2004, which became an instant hit. Aslam's second album Duri was released in 2006. Aslam's third album Meri Kahani, released in 2008, was nominated in 7th Lux Style Awards in the category Best Album Song. Hangami Halat, nominated in 2009 in MTV Music Awards in the category Best Rock Song. His debut song in Bollywood is Wo Lamhe from Zahir movie in 2005. He also sang Aadat Juda Ho Ke Bhi from Kalyog movie the same year and Tere Bin from Bas Ek Pal movie in 2006. In 2008, he recorded Pehli Nazar Mein and Ba Khuda Tum Hi Ho from Race and Kismat Connection respectively. Pehli Nazar Mein won him an IFEFA award. Aslam made his solo debut concert in New Jersey in Summer Beats 2008 at Sovereign Bank Arena. 2019 to 2015. In 2019 film Ajab Prem Ki Ghazab Kahani, he sang Tu Jaane Na and Tere Hone Laga Hoon. including remix versions of both songs, which fetched him several nominations. In March 2010, he was mostly known for making commercials for McDonald's Pakistan. He was making cartoons like Sonic the Hedgehog and Hello Kitty. In 2011, he sang a song from the film Faltu titled Le Ja Tu Mujhe. The same year, he sang two songs, Hona Tha Pyar and Kaho Aaj Bol Du, with Hatika Kayani for the film Pakistani film Bol, in which he was cast as a lead role. In this year, he recorded two songs for the film Tere Naal Love Ho Gaya, Tu Muhabbat Hai and Piya O Reya Piya. In 2012, he recorded two songs, Bol Ke Lab Azad Hain and Mori Araj Suno, for the Hollywood film The Reluctant Fundamentalist. He also performed in Coke Studio Season 5 titled Charka No Laha, Rabba Sachia and Dholna. On 22 April 2012, Astif Aslam became the first Pakistani to perform in London O2 Arena, a concert spectacular to promote love, peace and unity among Pakistan and India. Aslam performed for 4 hours. This was followed up by shows in Manchester and Glasgow. In 2012, he was invited for 3 concerts at the World Trade Center in Dubai. This was followed by his debut concert in Bangkok at the Centra Convention Center on 6 October 2012. On 2 November 2012, he performed his first public concert in Malaysia. In December 2012, Aslam was named among top performers of Dubai for 2012. Aslam is the first artist from Asia and the second artist from Baryan Adam who was permitted to perform inside the Darishtra Rangalsa National Football Stadium in Kathmandu, Nepal. In April 2013, Aslam performed for the first time at the LG Arena in Birmingham, following which he became the first artist from Asia to perform twice at London O2 Arena. Also in concert at the O2 were Bollywood stars Shan Malaika Arora Khan and Pasha Basu. मैं रंग शरबतों का was nominated at World Music Awards in 2014 for Best Song. मैं रंग शरबतों का fetched several awards and multiple nominations for him. Zameen Jaagti Hai and Tu Khaas Hai were released in Pakistan. In 2014, he recorded 2 songs for the film entertainment, Tera Naam Du and Nahi Wo Samne. Both songs were composed by Sachin Jigar with lyrics written by Priya Panchan. He also sang Q Mobile Noir I-10 advertising song Dil Se Dil and E.T. Salat advertising song Fasle. He worked with Sachin Jigar for the song Jeena Jeena for the film Badlapur. The song Jeena Jeena topped various charts and was one of the highest hits of 2015, which also got him a nomination for the Filmfare Award for Best Playback Singer. That year, same year, he also recorded Dil Kare for Ho Man Jahan. Aslam rendition of Tajdar Haram reached 540 million views on YouTube in July 2020. Originally released in 2015, it became the first video to origin in Pakistan to achieve the record. The Qawwali song, originally sung by Sabri brothers, was released on 15 August 2015 in Coke Studio Season 8 and has been viewed in 186 countries across the world. Also, it is Aslam's first individual video on YouTube to make the record. 2016 to 2020, Aslam worked with the musician Arko Parvo for the song Tere Sang Yara from Rustam 2016, which topped Bollywood Live chart, got nominated for Filmfare Award for Best Male Playback Singer. Atif worked with Mithon on 4 versions of the song Mar Jaye from Love Shuda in 2016, penned by Syed Qudri. Dil Dancer from the movie Actor-in-Law released, which earned him Lux Award for the Best Playback Singer. He sang Yariyan song with Ali Zafar, composed by Sahir Ali Bagha, which released on 2016 Defense Day. He collaborated with Mahir Zain for the song I Am Alive and sang Jal Pari for the advertisement of Huawei Honor 5X. At the start of 2017, Hoor's song from Hindi medium was released, after which the romantic song Barish from Half Girlfriend, composed by Tanishq Bagchi, and the ballad song Musafir from Sweetie Weds NRI were released. Romantic song Darasal composed by Jam 8, released the same year. Two ballad songs, Main Agar from Tube Light and Jaane De from Kareeb Kareeb Single, respectively, were out, composed by Pritam and Vishal Mishra, respectively. In December 2016, Dil Deng Galiyan from Tiger Zinda Hai released, composed by Vishal Shekhar and lyrics by Irshad Kamil. The song has garnered over 670 million views on YouTube as of January 2021. His first Bengali song Mithe Allu from Cockpit film was also released. The same year, Pehli Dafa starring Aslam and Aina D. Cruz was released, which was a composition of Shiraz Opal, a single Yuri written by Atif himself, released on Atif's birthday, which featured Aslam and Nikolai Dila Nena. Noore Azal, Hamd, released sung by Aslam and Abda Parveen and a composition of Shani Arshad. He also sang ISPR song Kabhi Parcham Mein, which was released on 2017 Defence Day. He performed at 16 Lifestyle Awards by singing Pakistan National Anthem and As Raha Par. In 2018, a total of 19 songs were released by Aslam. Dil Mere Na Sune, which was composed by Hamesh Remeshai for film Genius, or Satya from Baghi 2, written by Arko Panio Se from Satya Maeva J. Tere Liye from Namaste England and Tere Hue from Love Yatri were major hits in the charts. He voiced for 3 recreated songs, Jab Koi Baat, Dekhte Dekhte for Bati Gul, Meter Chalu, which took the official Asian music chart number 1, and recorded Chalte Chalte for Mitran. Other songs include Shihmi Hai Daktan, 3 versions of Selfish for Race 3, and 2 songs, Tum and O Meri Laila from Laila Majnu, lyrics by Irshad Kamil. Tham Lo from Parvaz Hai Janoon was also released during the same year, which earned him the Lex Award for the Best Playback Singer. He sang Hame Pyar Hai Pakistan, released on 2018 Defence Day. 12 Baje was released in December 2018. In January 2019, the Aulia song from Hum Char was released, composed by Vipin Patwa. Barishe, released on 13 February 2019, a day before the 2019 Pulwama attack. He performed at 18 Lux Style Awards and sang Mujhe Dil Se Na Bulana with Momina Mustehsan as a tribute to Bangladeshi Pakistani actress Shabnam. In Dinon and Anjana from the Superstar film were also released. Pardari, sung by Aslam and Abida Parveen, also released. Coke Studio starred with the song of Aslam in season 12, I Kuch A BR, Mubaraka and Wo Khuda Hai was released. The song Kine Sona became a topic of controversy, and it was originally recorded by Aslam for the film Mar Jamia, but the track was replaced at the last minute by Indian singer Jubin Notel. The song was a mix and mash blended cover with heavy inspiration from Pakistani Sufi Islamic Qawwali music that was sung by Nefek. In June 2020, T-Series released the original cover sung by Aslam on YouTube, but was forced to remove it and immediately issued an apology after a thread-laced campaign led by various right-wing Indian nationalist figures and parties such as Maharashtra Nirman Sena. In 2020, Atif Aslam released Wo Mere Bina. He also sang Zong advertisement song Ek Naya Khab. In April 2020, he recited Azan, shortly after which Coke Studio released Asmaul Hasna. In May 2020, recited by Atif Aslam and produced by Zulfikar Jabar Khan as an expression of solidarity with humanity amid with the COVID-19 pandemic. It featured voices from the universes recorded by NASA 33 backing vocalists from across the globe and the sound of deaf with a pronunciation supervised by Hafiz Idris, giving it the feat of having 4 million views in 4 days on YouTube, and as of December 2021 it has received over 50 million views. Atif Aslam worked for an ad of Infinix Mobile 08 Katy the Huns, released on 20th November 2020 by Velo Sound Station, which got 2.5 million views in 2 days of its release. After a solo debut concert in New Jersey in 2008, Aslam returned with his band and special guest to Queens Colden Center, New York for performance of 2 July 2020. He continued to tour the world with headline performance at the Royal Albert Hall in London alongside by JCN. Aslam has also performed in Bangladesh and Kenya. Aslam performed alongside Sonu Nigam in 3 occasions, one of which is a concert Shame Dostana at the Putrajaya International Convention Center in Malaysia. 2021 to present on 26 February 2021, Atif released the song Raat, which was a poem by Munir Niazi, a tribute to Musarat Nazir. Chale To Kat Hi Jayega premiered on 19 March 2021 and received 14 million views in 3 days. On 26 May 2021, Times Music released Atif unreleased song Ji Lene De from the movie Romeo Akbar Walter, starring John Ibrahim. Atif released the song Rafta Rafta on 21st July 2021. On 24 October 2021, Coke Studio released his new song Cricket Khidiyan with Faris Shafi and Talal Qureshi on the occasion of T20 World Cup 2021. On 25th January 2022, Atif Aslam along with Aima Beg performed PSL National Anthem, the song title as Aage Dekh. On 27 October 2022, Atif Aslam Moon Rise was released featuring Emmy Jackson. In an interview at Capital Talk with Hamid Mir, Atif revealed an untitled Bengali song that would be released soon. Some unreleased songs of Atif Aslam that were replaced by other Bollywood artists includes Chashni. On 15 November 2024, Atif Aslam unveiled Borderless World, a music program to promote a musical talent globally. Atif explained the Borderless World has been in the making of for over a year. On 4th January 2025, Atif officially launched the first season of Borderless World. Season 1 contains total of 6 songs, in which 2 were recreation of his own old songs. Career. Aslam made his acting debut in the 2011 Pakistani movie Bol along with Pakistani actress Myra Khan. He made his television debut with the Pakistani series Sangema, released in January 2022 on Hum TV. Personal life. Atif Aslam married educationist Sara Bharwana in Lahore on 29th March 2013. Together they have 3 children, 2 sons and 1 daughter. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।